Notion Automation Tool Review. Still good? Links to the products are added in the description. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, databases, project management, and automation into a single flexible platform. And in this review, I'll break down its automation capabilities, who it's built for, and whether it still holds up in 2025. Notion's core strength lies in its customizable databases, which serve as the foundation for most automated workflows. With features like relations, rollups, filtered views, and linked databases, users can create dynamic systems that automatically update as information changes. This makes it ideal for managing tasks, content calendars, CRMs, knowledge bases, and multi-step projects without relying on external software. In recent years, Notion has expanded its automation capabilities through native automations and integrations. Users can now create automated triggers inside Notion, such as updating statuses, assigning tasks, moving items between databases, or sending reminders based on changes in fields, due dates, or conditions. Notion's integration ecosystem, powered by its API, allows users to connect tools like Slack, Google Calendar, Gmail, and project management or communication platforms to automate notifications, sync tasks, or push data across systems. It also supports automation through third-party tools, giving teams even more flexibility to build advanced workflows. Notion is particularly well-suited for entrepreneurs, content creators, small businesses, product teams, and operational teams that need a highly customizable workspace to manage complex information and automate routine actions. Its strength lies in flexibility. Users can design workflows that match their exact needs rather than adapting to a rigid system. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to learn, making it accessible even to non-technical users. However, Notion does have limitations. It's not as powerful as dedicated automation platforms for handling multi-step enterprise-level workflows, and very large databases can experience performance slows. Despite this, its automation features continue to improve, and its all-in-one structure gives users a unique balance of organization, documentation, and workflow automation in a single tool. Overall, Notion remains a strong automation tool in 2025, offering a flexible, customizable, and user-friendly experience for teams and individuals looking to centralize their work and automate daily tasks without complexity.